In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a heat map in Google Sheets. A heat map is a quick visual way to spot patterns, highs and lows, and outliers in your data using color. Instead of scanning rows of numbers, you'll be able to understand your data set at a glance. Here's how to set it up clearly and confidently. Start by selecting the data you want to visualize. Click and drag to highlight the cells that contain your numbers. It's best to select only the numeric range and leave out headers if you don't want them colored. If your range includes a mix of text and numbers, Sheets will still work, but only the numeric cells will be color-coded, while blank cells are ignored. Next, look to the top menu and open the Format menu, then choose Conditional Formatting. This opens a panel on the right side of your screen. If you selected the wrong cells, you can adjust the Apply to Range field right here without starting over. In that panel, switch to the Color Scale tab. This is the part that turns plain numbers into a gradient of color. You'll see a preview of a color scale and options for minimum, midpoint, and maximum values. By default, Google Sheets maps the lowest values to one color and the highest values to another, optionally with a middle color for smoother transitions. This is perfect for showing low to high intensity across your data. Now choose a color gradient that makes sense for your context. For example, use a cool to warm scale if you want lower numbers to look calm and higher numbers to stand out, or reverse it if low is bad and you want those to pop. You can pick from the built-in gradients or customize the colors to match your brand or to be more readable. If you need more control, adjust the min, midpoint, and max settings to number, percent, or percentile and set exact values. That's useful if you want a neutral midpoint at an average or a specific benchmark. Keep in mind that zeros will be treated as low values, and blanks won't be colored. As soon as you pick your gradient, your sheet updates instantly, and your range becomes a heat map. If the effect feels too strong or too subtle, tweak the colors or the midpoint until the differences are clear without being distracting. You can also update the range in the side panel to expand the heat map later. That's it, highlight your data. Go to Format, open Conditional Formatting, switch to Color Scale, and choose a gradient that tells your story. Enjoy your new, insight-rich heat map in Google Sheets.